this video tutorial I will explain format method of DateFormat class which accept date, string buffer and field position. Here I have defined the class DateFormat demo. Here I have created date object. Here I have created DateFormat object. Then I am calling format method of DateFormat object and passing the date, string buffer and the field position. This method format this date and return the formatted date. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.